Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very beautiful kurti embroidery neckline. To make this neckline, first draw your neckline in the kurti. It's going to be like a U neckline, and from the center with your free hand, just by free hand, you're going to draw a curved line from the U neck to downwards like this. Okay, and I'm going to use a single stand anchor embroidery thread for this, and now I'm starting sewing this from the down part of the line, and this is called as a stem stitch. Okay, there's going to be a single stand, and you're going to sew it like this. So once is going to be a normal stitch, and the second stitch is going to start from the midpoint of the first stitch, and that going to end on the line. See, now I'm going to pierce on the exact midpoint of the first stitch, and that's going to end on the line like this. Okay, you can try to make this neckline on a chandri cotton fabric and also on the raw silk. That both would be very beautiful for this design. And now I'm just making this design on a white raw silk material, and you're going to repeat the same for the all the like 7 curves like this. And you can see from the center of the stitch you're going to begin another one. So this called as a stem stitch. Okay, very simple and very easy to make. Even beginners can try this. It doesn't need any kind of embroidery knowledge to make this design. You can try this design on any kind of neckline, and it doesn't need to be the same U neckline or the same fabric color. All you have to do is you have to make a good contrasting color. That's very important. Okay, you can wear a green dupatta and a green salwar for this, and also I'm adding a red color bead, so you can wear a red color dupatta and also a red salwar for this. Okay, it's just like a mix and matching the colors. So now I'm going to sew this entire line like such. Okay, and also I'm really happy to say that I'm going to start sewing classes from this December. So please do join with my Facebook group and also in the Instagram group. Follow me on my Instagram group. It's all the links is given in the description box below. So if I have any update to be given regarding the stitching classes, that's the tailoring classes, I'd be posting on there, and also I'd be making a quick video how can you join, and what are the price structure, and also what all the courses I'm going to offer you. So please do join, please to be connected, and also I'll be sharing my phone number, so anytime any doubts you can have, you can talk to me. And now this is the beads I'm going to give on the stem stitch. It's going to come on the either sides. Okay, it's a very small like 3 mm bead, a red color bead. It's going to start from the down part and it's going to go all the way up like this. It's going to have on the either side like alternate sides. Okay, you can try this making on your kids neckline, curtains, everything. This is the basic stitch, and you can try this stitch on anything as you like. As you see, it came out really beautiful, very decent and very nice neckline. If you're making a kurti and if you don't know what kind of embroidery neck you have to put on that, you can always go ahead and try this. Okay, so now I'll be sewing the same to the entire stem stitch on either sides like this. Okay, so once it's done, it'd be looking like this. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.